Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. X power log x plus 3 square of base x is equal to 16. We have to find the value for x over here. How we can solve this one? So suppose there is a function, okay, and there is a power over here. Suppose log g of base a. So this one can be, f can come in the place of g and g can come in the place of f, and this can be write as g into log f of function a. This will happen when a is greater than 0 or a is not equal to 1. These two conditions will satisfy, then we can say that these terms will be equal. And one more condition is that these functions should be greater than 0, f and g both should be positive. Then we can say that these terms will be equal. So based on this concept, I'm going to solve this question. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, you can see this one, this whole function will come in place of x. So x plus 3 square, and then we can write here log x, and this x will come in place of x plus 3 whole square. So here log x, and that one is equal to our 16. So we know that x log x having base x is equal to 1 over here. So x plus 3 whole square into 1 is equal to 16. Okay, so here this is very easy to solve. X plus 3 whole square, and here we can write my positive negative 4 square, and this one is okay going to solve in this way. That is, we can remove a square on both sides, and we have two conditions. X plus 3 will be either equal to 4, or we have x plus 3 is equal to, we have here negative 4. So here x is equal to 4 minus 3, so x is equal to 1. But our condition was that x should be not equal to, here base should not be equal to 1, and here we have a base. Yes, this one is our base, so this is not equal to 1 according to our definition. So we get contradiction, so we can say that no solution is there. This is the absurd solution, so it is not solution. And if we talk about this one, so this is what x plus 3 equal to minus 4. So we can say that x is equal to minus 4 and minus 3, so x is equal to minus 7, that is less than 0. But according to our definition, x should be greater than 0. So x should be greater than 0, this should be in this way, but it is not happening in such a way that after calculation. So we can say that this is also contradictory. Okay, this is also absurd, so we can say that no solution we have. Okay, and this is our conclusion, that x is not having any kind of solution. So we can say that x is having phi result, so this is our no solution. So thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.